Hello friends, you're welcome to Basil World Academy. This is the academy for all scholarship discoveries. This channel is all about giving you the best scholarship updates as well as giving you preparation strategies on how to win fully funded scholarship across the globe. Please look around. I've prepared a lot of videos that can be of help to you, both for the scholarship update as well as how to prepare yourself to get these scholarships. So please look around. I believe you will find something interesting for you. So today I'm going to be discussing with you guys and sharing with you guys the Allan and Nesta Ferguson scholarship. This scholarship is offered by the University of East Anglia in England. This scholarship is available to international students who have applied to study full-time one-year master's course in the School of Global Development at the University of East Anglia. Yeah, there are some countries that are also eligible to apply for these as an international student. And we have the list from United Nations Human Development. So we have a long list of these countries that are eligible for this scholarship. So please look around. I believe you will find if your country is eligible. We have some African countries, Afghanistan, we have Ethiopia, we have Nigeria, Pakistan. So please look around to find out if your country is eligible for this scholarship. Each scholarship will fund the students' international tuition fees, so it is fully covered and provided with a maintenance fee of about £9,000, so that they can live in the UK and be able to cover the cost of living and travel visas. So this scholarship is very generous. It can cover your tuition fee as well as maintenance fee of about £9,000. So is also very important for you to note that this scholarship will be awarded on the basis of financial need to applicants from any of the listed countries. So to be eligible for this scholarship, you need to apply by submitting an application form by 19th of February 2024. So we have the eligibility criteria. The first one is that you must be a member of these, you must be from these countries, and secondly, you need to have a financial need, and thirdly, you need to submit your application before 19th of April 2024. So this scholarship is for postgraduate third master's program, and it's going to cover tuition fees and maintenance fee. So the total value of this scholarship is about £30,000, and we have different ranges based on the maintenance fee and other things as well. So we have number of awarded scholarships, and this is applicable to this year 2024. So we have also mentioned the criteria before. You must be an international student who is able to fund his studies as well as demonstrate genuine financial need. So these are the criteria. So you must be an international student, be able to pay international fees, self-funded, and demonstrate genuine financial need. So the school or the faculty that offers the scholarship is the Global Development, and the subject is on global development. So of course, you cannot apply for all the courses. So all the courses that are eligible for this application are global development courses, and we have most of them here. We have, for example, MA Conflict, Governance and Global Development, MA in Global Development, MA in Environmental and Global Development. So please check any of these. If you're interested, you can actually click on any of these links to find out if there are other course specific or program specific requirements you need to meet before you'll be able to apply for the scholarship. Then for the academic excellence, you must meet all the course requirements. So you need to go back to this place to check for the individual courses that you're interested in, to be able to know if you are eligible and have other criteria that you need to meet. So other further criteria: applicant must be a national permanently domiciled in one of the countries listed in the eligible countries tab at the top of the page. So we have already said that we have a lot of countries that are eligible, so they take this very, very seriously. So the next thing you need to understand is that to be considered for this scholarship, you must submit your application form by 19th of April 2024. So in a short while, I'm going to show you guys the application form. But there's a little caveat here. The caveat is that you must have applied to any programs of your interest and be granted admission. At least you should have an application number before you start applying for this scholarship. So if you're interested, I will encourage you to go ahead, select any of these courses you're interested in, apply to these courses or to anyone that you're interested in, get your application number and go directly to the application form and start the application. So let's talk about the English requirement, which is mostly a matter of concern for most international students. So for the English requirement, you do not really need to write IELTS or TOEFL or other standardized English tests. There are exemptions here. So this program is for our postgraduate thought program. So we can click on these postgraduates and scroll down. We'll be able to see country-specific requirements. So you need to check what the requirement is for your country. For example, we have here in Nigeria, in West Africa, you have your NACO or your WAEC or West African examination. At least you have C6 for about a period of 10 years. So you can ask. So English is exempted if you meet this requirement. So the next thing I would like to show us here is the application form and what we need to do over there. So this is the Allan and Nesta Ferguson scholarship application form. So the first thing we have here is applicant number. Like I said earlier, you need to apply to your course of interest, use the application number and tender your application for the scholarship. You have where you need to input your names, your date of birth, your fee status. Of course, you should be an international student, so you should select that. Have you applied to study full-time, part-time? So whatever you applied, you should be able to know what you do there. Country of residence, country of birth, your address and every other thing. Previous higher education institution. Yes, so remember I told you that this scholarship is strictly based on international students who have serious financial needs. You have a little box here where you need to write an essay to give an explanation on how and reasons why you think you need this scholarship. So the scholarship will be awarded on the basis of financial need. Please use this section to tell us anything that we should take into account about your financial circumstances. So you write a little essay on why you need a scholarship based on your financial need. So if you want me to talk more about how to write financial need essays, please let me know in the comments section below. But basically what you should do here is to give a background, and maybe you're a first generation student, financial needs in family and different obstacles you have faced in the past and how you were able to overcome that to go through school. And as it stands now, you may not be able to further education because of this reason or that reason. So 500 word limit. Then you also have another essay about 500 words, and here you should be explaining why you should be awarded the scholarships. So this is in form of an SOP or motivational letter. So here you should refer to your academic history, your course ambitions, career goals, and how this scholarship will help you. So I believe you know how to write the SOPs. If you don't know how to do that, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that. But basically, to write the SOPs, you need to have a team statement why you should be awarded the scholarship, your research experience, work experience, and how all these connect to your future goals and your future aspirations. And most importantly, how will this scholarship help you to achieve those future goals and aspirations? So that's basically what SOP, statement of purpose, has to do with. Everything about you in writing should sound convincing and appealing to whoever that is going to read that, because most applications for scholarships are very competitive. So this is what I have for you guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you have any questions or further clarifications, please you hit me in any of my social media handles. I'll be able to answer you accordingly. And I wish you success as you apply for this scholarship, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.